The Raxium third brake light flasher is a good choice for your 94 to 04 Mustang if you're looking to grab the attention of drivers behind you with a third brake light that rapidly flashes 3 times and then stays solid. This is a quick splice right behind your factory light without completely replacing it, making it a very easy setup. It runs at about $60 and the installation gets 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. I'm sure at some point during your driving experience you've seen cars driving around with a rapidly flashing third brake light, and it always grabs people's attention behind them. It really does increase safety by quickly directing some careless and unattentive drivers' attention toward you when you're stopping. Now, it can prevent some rear-end accidents at red lights or stop signs, keeping your Mustang in a clean condition. This is not a full brake light replacement, obviously, as you can see here, only a wiring connector to change the way your factory light flashes. It will splice into your factory wiring easily with these quick splice connectors, and it'll flash quickly 3 times and then stop solid like I mentioned a second ago. Now, it's $60, which I think is very affordable, and it gets a pretty simple install. Overall, 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. All you really need to get the job done is a simple ratchet and socket set, and you can probably do it in about 20 minutes at the most. All you'll need to do is pop open your trunk and remove the 2 retaining clips at the top of the trunk liner and fold it back down. 99 to 04 Mustang owners will see black and green wiring. The dashed wires connect to the brake light harness, which you'll need to splice into your connectors here. From there, you can pop the trunk liner back on and you are good to go. If you're the owner of a 99 to 04 Mustang, you might want to check out the Raxium third brake light flasher, which you can find right here at AmericanMuscle.com.